Are you struggling to manage your income and expense data? Does keeping track of everything like grocery, rent, or surprise cost feel overwhelming? If you have tired using notebook, spreadsheet, or other apps that just don't work for you, you are not alone. I have got a solution for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Real Success. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated on all things related to managing life in UK, tech tips and productivity hacks. Today I am excited to share with you a simple yet effective expense manager mobile app that makes tracking your finance a breeze. With its clean interface and easy to use features, this app helps you to stay on top of your income and expense with minimal effort. Let's take a look at core features. App allow you to log your income and expenses quickly and manually. It's designed to make the process as simple as possible. So even if you are new to managing your finance, you will find it easy to use. One of the standout features is the ability to export all your data into Excel file. This is the great option if you want to further analyze or organize your finance outside the app. Whether you need to track your spending for personal reason or work, exporting data into Excel gives you complete flexibility. Once you have exported your data, you can easily open it in Excel, organize it however you like. Use filters, formula or charts to get a deeper understanding of your income and expense. So who would benefit from this app? If you are someone looking for simple way to track your finance and you like the idea of exporting your data for further management, this app is definitely for you. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments how you manage your expenses and if you give this app a try. I would love to hear your thoughts. You can find the download links for the app in description below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and life tips. See you in the next one.